Dear students, now we are going to study about the exercise of 13.1. The topic name is limit and derivative. Limit and derivative. We will discussing about the exercise 13.1, that is your limits. Let's start from question number 16. Last class we have already discussed about question number 1 to 15. Now it's time to discussing about question number 16. So the question is, suppose the question evaluate the limit cos x by pi minus x, cos x by pi minus x, x tends to 0. Okay, x tends to 0. So you will put the direct value of x in the expression. You got cos 0 by pi minus 0. Your answer will be cos 0. The value of cos 0, you know, the value of cos 0 is 1, then 1 by pi. 1 by pi is the answer. 1 by pi is the answer. Okay. For next question, see the next question. What will happen here? Question number 17. Simply, the question is limit cos 2x minus 1 by cos x minus 1, x tends to 0. Okay, x tends to 0. If we put 0 in the value of x, so we will get 0 by 0. So we can be find in this process. So which process we should follow this? So you can written into simplest form, that is your right here, like limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Then at the place of cos 2x minus 1, you should write here 1 minus, look here, 1 minus 2. At the place of this, you should write here 1 minus 2 sin square x, then minus 1 written. Then next is here, in this process you also write here like this 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 minus 1. Okay, in this process you should write. Then this cancel, minus 1 minus cancel, minus minus also cancel, only left limit x tends to 0, 2 also cancel, only sin square x by sin square x by 2. Okay, so sin square x by 2. Then you should write here like lim x tends to 0, sin square x by x square into x square. We can convert into like this form, and also limit x tends to 0, sin square x by 2 by x square by 4, x square by 4 into x square by 4, because you know the formula limit y tends to 0, sin y by y, that is your 1. Okay, and this value is 1, this is also 1, that means 1 into x square by 1 into x square by 4. Okay, so your answer will be, then x square cancel, answer will be 4. That's all. Next question, question number 18. So the question number 18, find the limit x tends to 0, ax, look here, ax plus ax cos x divided by b sin x, b sin x. If you put x at the place of x, that is 0 plus 0 also 0. Okay, 0 by 0 form, this is also 0 by 0 form. So it needs converting. Okay, so so here you can convert like 1 by b limit ax plus, sorry, that's a not ax. We take x as common. Okay, take x as common. A plus cos x by sin x. Yes or no? So again you can write here simplest by the form of limit ax by sin x, ax tends to 0, here also x tends to 0, and then limit a plus cos x, ax tends to 0, and in this place you can write here 1 by b, here 1 by limit ax tends to 0, that is your sin ax by x. This is the formula, you know. The formula is your limit y tends to 0, sin y by y equal to 1. So, okay. Then this value we can written as limit a plus cos x. Okay, got it? So, we know 1 by b and this value is 1 by 1. If you, ax tends to 0, if you apply 0 at the place of x, your answer will be a plus cos 0. Then 1 by b into a plus cos 0, the value of 0, that means the value of cos 0 is 1, we know. The answer will be 1 plus a plus 1 by b. This is the answer. Okay, note it down. Question number 19. See the question number 19. The question is limit x tends to 0, then x sec x. Okay, x sec x. So limit, if you convert into x sec means 1 by cos x, we know the formula. Then x tends to 0, x by cos x. At the value of x you should put here the value 0, that means 0 by cos 0, that 0 by the value of cos 0 is 1. This is not form of 0 by 0, so the answer will be 0. Answer will be 0. Got it? So next question, question number 20. Here see the question number 20. Limit x tends to limit x tends to 0. Okay, limit x tends to 0, sin ax plus bx, sin ax plus bx by, okay, ax plus sin bx. If you put 0, that is your 0 plus 0, also 0 plus 0, that is 0 by 0 form. Okay, 0 by 0 form. So it needs converting. Okay, it needs needs converting. So what to do to convert this? We should write here like this. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Here we should write sin ax by ax is divide and multiply also, that is your ax plus bx, and ax plus sin bx by bx into bx. Okay, so here you should write here and then apply the limit of this function. Limit x tends to 0 sin ax by ax into limit ax tends to 0 ax plus limit bx x tends to 0 and divided by limit ax tends to 0 plus limit bx sin bx by bx x tends to 0 into limit bx x tends to 0. Okay, so here this value we know, this is the value, this value is known as 1. How we know? The limit sin y by y, here when y tends to 0 is your 1, this is a 1. That means here we should write limit x tends to 0 ax, here limit also x tends to 0 bx divided by limit x tends to 0 ax plus limit x tends to 0 bx. Both the numerator and denominator are same. We can write here, that is your 1. Okay, that's all. Question number 20.